I'm good. I'm good. Go, boy. You better go. Negative. Oh, you got it. That's true. You got to tag it too. Yeah. I thought about trying it, but nah. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, you got a tag it too.
I see it.
So we got a side-by-side finally with a tiger tip.
Carlos got mine at the house.
Huh? Was that good?
Carlos got mine at the house.
Oh, he did?
For this one.
Okay.
I ordered it, so I'm just waiting to see him.
Right.
Next ride, if he don't come. I hope he makes it.
I hope so too.
Yeah, absolutely. I already know that's your bud. That's your brother. That's your brother, baby.
It pissed me off when he couldn't come, man.
You're telling me, it hurt me too. All the times I can't make it even.
And my first time riding since North Carolina. Over a month. Huh? Good try. Good try.
Man, I'm good. I give it to you too, but your dad'll be upset. I like how you grab that, though. Look at this.
Oh!
Stop it there. Stop it there. Don't break nothing. Don't break nothing.
Don't break nothing, Chad. Yeah.
Right there.
Damn it, Chad. That's a good one. Ooh. Little.
Hey, if I went through, then I had rights.
A bit of slop at the tip of that exhaust. Tiger tail, baby. Tiger tail. All right, Chad. Give it some gas. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're burning your belt. Hold on. Burning his belt. Hey man, new part. You're supposed to try new stuff.
I'm saying one thing.
I was fixing to go down it.
If they were to go
Because if you look, you can see the bottom right there.
oh, right whenever I got there, I couldn't stop seeing it. I was up to you already.
Damn.
Right with it.
I see the bubbles. Damn. Damn. I'm glad I didn't go in there. Yeah. And mud. Oh yeah. The big one. Well, damn it, Chad. First good mud hole we get to. Damn it, Chad.
Yeah, it's cool. All right, I got it. Okay.
Lock the winch back. Look. All right, get back. Park. Whoa. Man.
He's sticking it neutral and rev it up.
Yeah. Chad, stick it in neutral and rev it. Chad, how come every time we get to the park, you're the first one to fuck something up? It's Ben's fault?
You got extra belt? My belt's fine. Felt pretty bad.
Oh. Yeah.
I made it through. I got
Yeah.
to look at you go.
That would have been cool. Whoa. I'm way too fucking.
I would have got that on camera too.
Hey, not me, buddy.
You ain't gonna be that guy.
I ain't that guy.
Oh fuck.
I say we go that way.
That's what, yeah.
Because they are stuck.
I'm thinking the same thing.
You want the black and red extra.
Right.
What's missed you?
I didn't know who the hell they were talking to.
I know you weren't leaving until 4 o'clock.
Well, I wasn't planning on a midday ride, but
If you want to follow us, you
I
can.
kept being provoked.
So you're welcome to
So-
follow us. I don't know where we're going. Blue is the prettiest trail in the park.
That's what we're on?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you know what? Take advantage of it with no dust and stuff. Yeah, this is Blue Trail. It's beautiful down all through here.
Right.
They haven't turned the bike wash on yet. Usually it's a creek you ride in for, I don't know, quarter of a mile, 200 yards.
Huh.
But you're welcome to follow us.
Okay.
If you want to turn, I don't know where we're going. We're just going to ride. It's up to you.
It's up to y'all. No matter.
You're
to me.
welcome to join us if you want. We're pretty good about keeping going.
Look, Mark. Mark said it pretty good. You know we like to keep it going.
I do.
Mark.
Oh, trust me. But they had to winch a bike out. That's the only reason we stopped. That's about the 3rd time this morning already.
Right. Yeah, it might happen a couple times with us because we just had to do it a couple times.
Yeah. But it's up to you. You're welcome to follow us if
Everybody
you want.
saw Chad getting in stuff, not me.
I think we'll wait till we can get in a group with just you.
And then we'll take it through the park.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take you anywhere you want to go.
I told him
know
this is your home park.
Yeah, this is my home park.
Yeah, he lives right down the road.
Facility, isn't it?
Oh, man.
I mean, you know, Sabine to me is better riding
Right.
than this, but this is next best, and you just can't beat that.
You can't beat the amenities.
This place is top notch. $15 million park.
When I saw the shower houses, I thought it was the library.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, and you need to check out some of these buildings, like that one building by the fuel pumps.
Uh-huh.
You gotta just stop and walk. It's a splash pad for kids.
Yeah, I saw that through that fence. I didn't go in it, but I
You
saw
gotta
it.
go in there and look. It's picnic tables, and I mean, it's beautiful.
That was cool.
When's it open? That's what he wants to know.
It's
Somebody's
open now.
checking it out
Okay.
for us.
Yeah.
We should have had him earlier.
So deep in
Yeah, I can tell you anything you want to know.
It's not that deep. Tell us. You guys can let that go for
Yeah,
Welcome to
definitely.
join us.
Let's
We'll
get
come back.
together.
Okay, we'll
And-
come back and get you later.
Right.
Yeah, I'll let us later.
Yeah, you start shoving that stick in there, just
You get too many people in a group, and it just takes forever.
look at him. There ain't no bottom of that, man.
I'm gonna touch you with it.
I've already said I would have effed up if I'd have went there.
Yeah,